This is grade 4, module 1, lesson 4, and the objective in this lesson is to read and write multi-digit numbers using base 10 numerals, number names, and expanded form. So we're going to look at homework problem number 2, and it says on the place value chart below, label the units and represent the number 506,709. And then we're going to write it in word form and expanded form. So the first things first, we're going to put our labels on our place value chart. Okay, and I just use some abbreviations. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. And I'm going to put my commas on my chart here, just so the students remember where they go. And so let's go ahead and place our numbers, the number that they gave us. So there was a 9, 1s, 0 10s, 700s, 6,000s, 0 10,000s, and 500,000s. So we're going to write this in word form, and that would read 506,709. So the one thing I have to point out to the kids is it's not 500,000, 6,000. So it's actually, you read it together, 506,709. So we're going to write this number in expanded form, and that in expanded form it's 500,000. We have no 10,000, so I'm not going to write my 0, plus 6,000, plus 700s. I have no 10s, so I could add a 0 for the 10s, but I'm just going to skip it and go right to the 1s, which is 9. So the number in expanded form is 500,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 9. Okay, so the next problem we're going to look at is homework problem number 3, and it's complete the following chart. So in this chart, they're looking for the standard form, word form, and expanded form, and they give us one to start with. So the first row in this column in word form says 5,370. So in standard form, it would be 5,370. And then expanded form, we would have 5,000 plus 300 plus 70. And there's nothing in the ones place. Okay. So then in our second row, we have 50,000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 2. I love doing the standard form first, so I have 2 in the ones place. I have 7 10s, 300s. I don't have any thousands, but I have 5 10,000s. And in word form, that reads 50,372. So the third row says 39,701. So we have 39,701. And in expanded form, we have 30,000 plus 9,000 plus 700 plus 1. Okay? In the expanded form, if you notice that each one of the add-ins only has one digit that's not a 0. Okay. All right, and there's more to the chart, but I just did the first 3 to show you an example of how to do this.